Thank you all for taking the time to watch from all around the world. Welcome. What you'll see will help you to navigate during this time of change. 2020, what a year. We have all been challenged in how prepared we are for change, how fast we can react to unpredictable factors. As I talk to our customers, partners, developers in the community, I have been hearing how successful all of you have been in navigating this change. And even though these customers are spread across the globe and represent over 20 industries, they all have similar challenges. All of them have the same drive. They want to innovate. They need to innovate. They understand what all business innovators understand, that to be competitive and differentiated in today's world, you need to build software that is as unique as your business. This is where we can help. Our mission has always been to give every business the power to innovate through software. To innovate through software, you need to build software fast. But what is fast? Well, fast means building a first version of a mobile app in 1 hour, so that you can try it with your customers and change the user experience until you reach absolute user delight. Fast means completing a highly complex web portal in a few weeks to dramatically improve the efficiency of your front office teams and reap those benefits as soon as possible. Fast even means rebuilding, in less than 1 year, that massive inflexible backend system, which has been preventing you from launching new products or services. In fact, building fast can mean the difference between your business continuing to run or grinding to a halt. When you build software fast, it is really hard to make sure all you have built is secure. It is really hard to make sure your mobile app runs smoothly on every device, on every version of all smartphones and tablets. Or that your web portal will not collapse when you go from 1,000 users to 1 million users. And that's OutSystems. We help you build fast, but we also help you build right. If you are thinking about your business beyond the next 12 months, you need to make sure that you're building software for the future. What do I mean by this? Well, think about it. Your workforce is changing, markets are changing. Can your digital systems, your portal, your experiences, your workflow survive another disruption like COVID? We have customers that have been with us for more than 16 years and have changed their apps hundreds of times since then. They did not know what the future was, but with OutSystems, they didn't need to. Because at OutSystems, we changed the way software is built. Build it fast, build it right, but most important, build it so that it helps you constantly adapt to an unpredictable future. And this is really hard. There is no single tool today that can address all of these challenges. Actually, you need more than just tools. It takes a platform approach to tackle these challenges. That is the OutSystems platform.
I'm going to be sharing the latest advancements around the OutSystems platform. We're excited to share some of the innovations available now and new capabilities we'll be making available this year. To start off, we need to talk about speed and productivity to ensure projects get done in the time the business needs. That's why we've designed OutSystems as a visual platform that gets out of the developer's way and allows them to efficiently do what they need to do. Where mundane tasks are automated and complexity is simplified through AI assistance and visually driven development. Recently, we took that idea one step further and developed builders that accelerate common use cases like workflows or prototyping beautiful, functional mobile applications. However, speed is not only about building. It is also about deploying and delivering. That's why we have pioneered specialized scriptless delivery pipelines to ensure apps can go live as quickly as they're needed. But we couldn't solve all of our customer problems on our own. So, through the Forge, our component and app repository, our active and thriving developer community contributes thousands of pre-built components that layer on top of the platform's core capabilities. These are just a few of the things to ensure OutSystems helps you build your apps fast. Now, here's a little secret. Many technologies promise speed. However, it often comes at the expense of important characteristics like security, quality, or user experience. We believe that for modern platforms, this is an unacceptable trade-off. With OutSystems, we've designed a standards-based software automation platform. This means you get the benefits and the power of great underlying technologies without having to worry about all the associated complexity. We also work diligently behind the scenes to ensure you deliver great apps, from making polished, accessible UIs a default to ensuring secure development patterns out of the box. At runtime, our cloud-first platform delivers modern applications that scale, handling millions of end users. Our scriptless deployment capabilities ensure zero downtime. Everything is built just right. But what about that agility and that constant change we hear customers talking about? How do we support the accelerating pace of innovation? To start with, our visual language allows developers to get up to speed quickly with what's going on, reducing knowledge gaps for new team members. We've also developed a patented true change engine that continuously checks for hundreds of typical change points and removes the guesswork and repetition from development and delivery. And we've been innovating the true change engine with AI to automate as much as possible, from simple things like database column names to complex multi-application dependency analysis and refactoring. The team is using OutSystems Workflow Builder, which I'm pleased to announce is available today to our customers. Workflow Builder serves as an accelerator for teams that want to get started automating manual processes. We introduced builders last year, and they're an important part of our product strategy. We believe that providing an interface that is tailor-made for the job at hand is the best way to help increase team productivity. Complemented by our flagship Service Studio tool, this provides the perfect combination of speed and sophistication, all within the same platform. The tool is easy to use and a great fit to accelerate development for team members with a process background, who aren't necessarily hardcore developers. Meanwhile, the central IT team at Neobank is not sitting still. They've been tasked with building a new version of the bank's main banking app for their entire customer base. This needs to be a fast, beautifully designed user experience that securely scales to 10 million users. Building these applications usually means a lot of special front-end skills and hard work. So let's look at another interaction of team members. This time, the team at Neobank will be using Experience Builder, which is designed to accelerate mobile application prototyping and development. Early customers using Experience Builder tell us that they love how fast they can prototype with real code and how well architected the end application is. Experience Builder is available today for our customers. After these first versions are ready for feedback, it is time to prepare to go live. From fully adapting the user experience and branding elements of the app to connecting to core systems, developer teams use the full power of the platform to build on top of early versions and achieve a fully functional app in a matter of days. Our True Change engine helps them along the way, automating boring tasks and adapting to change as it happens. Finally, the application is ready to go live and can be quickly moved to our production cloud environment by using our zero downtime, fully automated scriptless deployment pipelines that handle all necessary activities like dependency checking. We also continue to invest significantly in creating an intelligent platform that uses AI to augment developers, freeing them from repetitive manual work. Today, powered by machine learning models trained on millions of micro-application flows, we're increasingly embedding smart assistance capabilities across our product, augmenting our True Change engine. Think of it as having a trusted colleague pair program with you every step of the way. All of this is because we have a simple yet ambitious vision. We want to make you and your team 100 times more productive. All too often, development speed comes at the cost of quality, perhaps even forcing a reduction of the quality of the end-user experience. Speed can also mean trade-offs around scale, security, and other essential elements of modern applications. At OutSystems, we think a modern platform can deliver productivity and speed while also ensuring that resulting applications are built right. They work at enterprise scale and meet all the organizational requirements for mission-critical software. This is the reason we created Architecture Dashboard, available now, and designed to ensure that whatever you build fast, you also build right. Architecture Dashboard is the easiest way for teams to have immediate visibility into the technical soundness and code quality of their portfolio of applications. As part of our True Change engine, we've implemented automatic architecture discovery, and we use AI to identify ways to improve it. Architecture Dashboard uses these recommendations, plus many years of best practices, to automatically suggest improvements that allow developers and architects to act decisively, manage technical debt, and maintain the agility of their apps. Today, we are announcing App Shield, a new way to fully secure all of your mobile apps. App Shield automatically integrates with applications during deployment to protect against malware, as well as code injection, tampering, and reverse engineering. App Shield continuously reduces your security exposure. Companies today use data to deliver personalized, fast, and effective customer experiences. To achieve this, data residing in multiple enterprise systems needs to be accessed, integrated, and used intelligently. OutSystems has always had several integration capabilities built in, from pre-built connectors to consumption of any custom API using standard REST or SOAP. But today, we're taking things one step further. We want to do the heavy lifting for you, making sure you are incredibly productive without ever sacrificing quality, security, or performance. So today, we're proud to introduce the new Integration Builder, a simple way to connect and use your enterprise data. Early customers using Integration Builder have been able to access and utilize their enterprise data within OutSystems applications in minutes, without ever sacrificing architectural and security best practices. Integration Builder is 100% OutSystems supported, and connectors to core systems like SAP are certified. So Integration Builder is available today on our Early Access program. We also continue to invest heavily on our own OutSystems Cloud. We believe that now and in the future, the OutSystems Cloud will be the most convenient and powerful way to experience our product. To fully support our customers that have stringent data residency and latency requirements, we continue to open new cloud regions. Additionally, amongst other capabilities, we've recently enhanced our cloud's protection against distributed denial of service attacks. The majority of our customers already run on our cloud, and we continue to see accelerated growth of customers adopting the OutSystems Cloud as their first choice to run enterprise-grade, mission-critical systems. At OutSystems, we believe the time it takes for somebody to become truly productive on our technology is a key success factor. That's why we invest so much in crafting simple yet effective initial training. Our online training planner tool lets customers craft customized plans suited to their teams and to the projects they're building. In many cases, the original development team may have moved on or is not available. So how do teams get up to speed with existing applications? At OutSystems, we've worked hard to simplify that experience, and we do it in a few ways. To start with, the visual nature of our platform makes it much easier for new developers to navigate complexity and to get acquainted with the specifics of existing applications. Next, the Architecture Dashboard provides an easy-to-navigate way to understand an interconnection between the various elements of the application. From there, developers can easily drill down directly into a module or application and quickly understand the user interface, logic, and data that powers what has been built. We are announcing OutSystems Machine Learning Builder, a new tool that will be available as part of an early access program during Q4 of this year. With this builder, developers will be able to easily design sophisticated machine learning algorithms to drive decisions and streamline business processes. These algorithms can be easily integrated with your OutSystems applications as part of your workflow and business logic. Throughout this session, we've tried to show you all the investments and ongoing care we take with our platform, because that's where it all comes together. Often, we hear customers quite literally describe their OutSystems experience as magic or too much fun, and we want to keep it that way. And that's why we continue to invest in all the things we've shown you today. I hope you enjoy learning more about our vision to helping you build it fast, build it right, and build it for the future.
I started out today talking about our mission, to give every business the power to innovate. But as many of you know, the tools are not enough. They do not build applications themselves. It takes developers. And there is no larger opportunity or need in the workplace today than for the professional developer. At OutSystems, We are absolutely committed to helping grow the number of developers in the world. Please now welcome Jen Lopez, our Senior Director of Developer and Community at OutSystems, to talk about the next generation of developers.
Thank you, Paulo. Hi, I'm Jen. I'm part of the great team at OutSystems that works side by side with our developer community and strives to support and celebrate our customers' voices every day. And today, that's over 330,000 developers who are a part of this growing community. Over 90% growth just since last year. We saw it with the COVID-19 Community Response Program, when the community came together to brainstorm, build, and launch apps to help others through this crisis. And we saw it in March and in April at the height of the pandemic, with a surge in new members, and when the community pitched in to answer more questions than ever in the forums and offered to mentor those new developers. And at OutSystems, we are absolutely committed to helping to grow the number of professional developers around the world. And whether it's the thousands of students learning OutSystems in colleges and universities across the globe through our education program, or the surge of people looking to add new skills during the pandemic, we know that the new generation of developers is coming from all walks of life, from different socioeconomic, cultural, and educational backgrounds, many ages, skill sets, a broad spectrum of people who may not have been able to participate as readily before. We live in a diverse world. The technology space should reflect that. Anyone who wants to drive innovation in technology should have the chance to become a professional developer. Which is why I'm excited to introduce a new partnership with Women Who Code, whose mission is to inspire women to excel in technology careers. This partnership is just the beginning of our quest to help shape and grow the new generation of developers.
Thank you, Jen. And thank you all for sharing this time with us.